Good morning. Come here, honk. Yes. Who's the baby? Is that you? Is that you? Just your big baby. Yes. There's your kisses. Big babies. Body. Almost there. Right there. Remember, in the mouth, not any other holes or orifices. What are you just looking at yourself? What are you doing? He's silly. He's such a visual dog. It's funny, like, he'll look at himself in the mirror, or sometimes I'll look at him and then he'll be looking at me in the mirror. And then I'll, like, look at the mirror and make eye contact. I'm like, why are you using the mirrors? He's funny. Alright. Garage door open. Gonna go get some crack from our dealer. You might have heard of them before. 7-Eleven. Crack in a can. Well, now it's just dark. Have a good one.